Good morning, everyone. Today is September 13, 2022, Tuesday. So, come back with the market. We can see everything kind of green, like 99.5%. But, always have a but. Yeah, everyone has it. So, anyway, good morning. And it's 7 a.m. Central Time from Omaha, Nebraska. We can tell, like, US dollar down because the CPI kind of like a little high. So, and a lot of page you can say is say non-change, but energy is up close to $90, and financials up, and in the case is 61 ticks higher. So we can tell today possible change. So CPI out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So like when the market's open, and that's about to the CPI is going to be rate out, and that the schedule of CPI reporting, and there's be a lot of information for today. Please watch them out and do a lot of research. So yesterday you can see upside down. Like we say upside down is a lot of signals being went down, and especially energy departments or all the energy stock kind of is down a lot, and at least for the big total is around 3% for energy stock, and people get lost a lot in energy stock, or they have to wait in put option. Remember, sometimes waiting is profits to train yourself, but anyway, everyone have to wait on the put option, or you can buy right now. It's much cheaper, or whatever. How today, just another half day in front, we can do the call. So you can read those by yourself. So we get a lot of information about the CPI. So I want to share like when the CPI, if you say it's not changed much since like July, and that's right, but not change much just mean like never have anything changed yet. Like not change much because they can change some, but we don't see it. And especially it's a lot of the Apple products. iPhone 14 is coming, and of course they gained over 3%. And especially whoever holding Apple stock should sell this week or next couple days, or at least next few hours, just to be safe, because like market right now, better just buy it, cash it, sell it, clear everything in a day. So they say they can expect like the inflation like much higher and higher, but those numbers kind of like it's been hiding a little bit. So it's coming is the inflation number on CPI, and we can find a lot of information on the marketwatch.com, or the government website. So CPI index, and you can read them and say want to know what the CPI stand for, and what they use for, what they affect for the market stock. Honestly, CPI affect everything, like every side, every corner of American life, because they expect very affect to the housing price. Like in CPI, they have a CPU, CPA, CPIW. They got a lot. You have to do a lot of research, and you want to know about that. Just read them completely inside, and you will understand more. And sometimes you don't have some kind of work in like really, really high quality work, and you don't understand. Please check them out with the dictionary. And that's how CPIX affect with the U.S. stock market. Is the finally is stock market is going to be fall. It's going to be down again. And you remember like last couple weeks, like last 3 weeks, when one day the whole country lost like 31, 34,000 points. I want to remind you that again. So 1 point is $1 billion, and this is who can read that coding and you will understand, because like for they say next year is like it's going to be add up like 11% or 2% more for next year in the real estate thing, and this one is some kind of a profit. My student, like this one, and it's really pretty new, and a lot of them make is 4 or 5 times in this. That's why a lot of them right now, honestly, they don't go to work anymore, because like when they make $1,000 a day, and let's say just like 3 days a week, and they make over 10 grand a month, or supposed to say like 20 or more than that, but I would love to keep them lowest, just be safe, and because like right now we just come back with the stock. And CCL is our first stock we're going to target for today. And CCL, one of the biggest, longest cruise system in the US, and right now is $13.7 billion. And 27 is highest one, and lowest one is 8. And the rotation like around 50 to 80 cents, like sometimes over $1, but as cows normally that daily rotations be around 50 to 80 cents. So what daily rotation affect everyone? So daily rotation give us the profit we can catch, because they can, there's like lower scale, we can chop them like 1/3. So whatever, like if like let's say 80 cents, 1/3 of 80 cents, like 20 some cents, let's say 30 cents. So 30 cents going to be your profit every day if you know how to buy it, how to cash it. That's why daily rotation and yearly rotation is really important. By the way, based on daily rotation is give you more, or give everyone more opportunity to like calculate. You don't know what is the calculation, what is F1, what is info, and if you don't know those calculation, and you cannot find the foundation calculation, and like it's really hard to deal with that, how to make profit. But anyway, when you know daily rotation and you can take the advantage on that, daily rotation number become your real profit, put in your pocket. So the second stock for today is LICY life cycle. This is one of really pretty potential, like bright futures company. Recycle battery, and they have events to make the electric battery later on, because like a lot of engineers try to working on that process right now, and try to open a little bit, but should not say too much, because that's secret of the company. So anyway, so we come back with the stock a little bit. $1.3 billion is the cap, and 14 is highest one, and right now is the lowest one is fine. Right now it's ranking around 708. So anyway, so this pretty good number to cash them, and this one can be triple time. It's pretty fast if you put in the C3. So if you buy them daily, and better just cut them now, and you get like 20-50 cents more, then better just sell it, because this is just like 8 years old. It's not even 10 years. Best recommendation is 20 cents profits. Better just sell it, and you can see those earnings from Q4, Q1 this year, Q4 last year, and Q2 this year, and it's really stable. It's really straight up. That means the company make pretty good revenue, and revenue bring the real money back for the company. That means they doing good. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and see you guys tomorrow.